Welcome. Today, I'll show you exactly how to send a video to a chat on Instagram using the PC app, thanks to the new update that makes sharing moments with friends even easier. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials, and you'll land on the familiar Instagram home screen. Now, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll see several icons. Find the one that looks like a speech bubble. That's your messages icon. Click it, and you'll be taken straight to your direct messages, where all your conversations are neatly listed. Scroll through your chats or use the search bar to quickly find the person or group you want to send your video to. Click on the chat to open the conversation window. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll notice the message bar where you usually type your messages. Right next to it, there's a small photo icon. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to sharing photos and videos from your computer. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your folders and select the video you want to send. Once you've chosen the right file, click Open. You'll see the video appear as an attachment in your message bar. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct video. If you want, you can also type a message or caption to go along with your video to add a personal touch. When you're ready, simply click Send. Your video will be delivered instantly to the chat, and your friends or group will be able to view it right away. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can now share videos directly from your PC using the Instagram app. Whether it's a funny clip, a memory, or an important update, you can stay connected and make your conversations more lively than ever. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your favorite videos on Instagram.